We're at the Kedron Wavell Services Club at Chermside on the north side of Brisbane. So this is a commercial solar installation utilising 400 watt panels. These are a larger frame panel, they're a 72 cell module, and this is a 100 kilowatt installation. The brief was from the client to maximise their energy reduction, so we tried to fit as much solar as we could on the roof. A club like this has very high energy bills, very high energy consumption. What we're trying to achieve here is a maximum reduction in bill. So initially we were looking at a 350 kilowatt installation here. We had challenges with the weight capacity on the roof, so had an engineer come out and look at it, and we had to scale it back to 100 kilowatts. So we've done a 100 kilowatt installation here, but this is stage one of potentially a much larger installation. We're looking at new buildings, new car parks. We've got walkways between each panel. That's just because the panels had to sit right over the purlins, so we've got a gap between each panel to allow the system to be installed. Big walkways up the middle, access is good. On the far side, gets quite steep. We had to stay off that steep part of the roof and maximise the top surface of the roof. Yeah, so to maximise our energy in the small roof space that we had, we've gone to a 400 watt module just to try and squeeze as much energy out of that roof. By using a high efficiency module, we're getting more watts per square metre, which equates to less weight. So it did mean that we were getting more wattage in the limited roof space we had. 100 kilowatts of solar, 82 kilowatts of inverter capacity. This is a large club. This system helps with some of their energy usage. The energy consumption here is huge. The solar here is being 100% self-consumed. This is an optimised solution, so under every panel is an optimiser. So that allows the panels to mitigate the shade. The panels are working in groups and in strings, but there's a lot of plant and equipment up there. The technology allows us to get more wattage in areas where we wouldn't normally, and allows us to get higher daily production.